Hello friends and welcome to a new session of programming using Scratch. So in this session we are going to see how to create the costumes for your sprite or for your controlling characters. What are the applications of it and how to make the design or how to modify the design or how to create a design from scratch in this particular video. So let's go to the editor and now just click on to the costumes option here. So you can check it out, costumes. If I click on the costumes, you can see the appearance of the sprite which is present over here will be shown here, okay, in the costumes options. So this is your design window, just like MS Paint if you are used in Microsoft Windows operating system. Almost in the similar way this particular paint application works. So if you want to design or if you want to modify the original sprites, so we can make use of this costume option here, and based on that new designs or your ideas, your design can be created. So for example, first of all we'll see how to modify your original sprites. So the sprite which is present over here, okay, its costumes are shown. Costumes, so two different kind of costumes are present for the current sprite. Remember that when you choose a sprite, the sprite can contain more than one costumes. Now this sprite contains two costumes. Let's see. When I click on this option, see cat A, which is something like this, and when you click on cat B, okay, it's running. Its costume is different. This is walking and this one is running. So this is two different appearance of the sprite are present over there. It's required or it's very useful to create the animations in the output. That's why almost every sprite is containing multiple costumes present with this. So cat is containing two costumes, and if you add one more sprite or multiple sprites, their costumes can also be different. It may contain 2, 3, 4 costumes also. Okay, so they are required to create the animations basically. Okay, so currently I am having a cat A, the first costume, that is walking cat, and cat B is the second costume. This is what running cat is there. Okay, now if I want to modify this, I want to modify this particular content or the appearance of the respective cat, I can make use of this editor effectively here. Let's see how to use it. You can check it. The name of the costume is appearing over here, cat B or cat C, cat D, any such kind of appearance may be present over there. And under this cat, if I want to add more costume, that also is possible. You can choose it from here, choose a costume. Okay, so we can have cat C, cat D, cat E, like it's possible to use afterwards. Okay, currently we'll focus only on the default costumes given by the Scratch to us. Okay, so I'm using cat B now, so it's just like a running cat is shown over here. I want to make some modification inside it, so I can make use of the options which are present over here. You can see the square dots are present at the background of it. Its meaning is it is transparent background. So whatever character that is present over here is containing a background transparent. It's not containing any square border or the rectangle border over it. It's containing the complete transparent background. That's why this small squares with filled and unfilled colors are shown over there. Okay, now let's start with this. This is the color. The option that we use from here, its colors are shown over here. If I click on this particular part, the first option shown over here, its meaning is select. Okay, so some part of or the whole sprite I can select by using this option. See, I can select this part. See, these are the different parts that the sprite is containing. See, for example, I want to select the face of the sprite, so I'll select it, check it, and I'll drag. See, it's different. Okay, it's different from the original. Okay, so remember that it's just like this. Okay, so any part of this particular sprite I can select, I can separate it, or I can do the modification inside it with the help of this particular option. See, for example, I selected it. You can see multiple dots are appearing over it. So I can make use of these dots to change the size of the selected part. Check it. You can try this one in your system. See, I have clicked and I am dragging it towards the down directions. So I can make it more clear. See, now I can see the ratio of the face and the remaining body is correct. Yeah, correct. Now it is fine. So I have selected that, and based on that I have made the changes over here. Now likewise I can rotate this particular face also. How to? So when I selected it, you can see the option present over here for rotations. Okay. I'll change this one. You can see this one, the options for rotation is present here. Just drag it and check it. See, it is rotating. Okay, you can see the rotation option is present here. So check this, like this you can rotate. So I have rotated it, and again I'll drop at this place. Okay, now see this one. This is how I have modified it. I have changed the size of the face, I have rotated the face also, and after that I have kept that face onto the original position. Okay, so in this way we can modify within the select tool. Okay, next to that we have a tool called as brush. So with the help of this brush I can fill the respective areas inside the sprite over there. See, I got a brush now, you can check it. This is a brush created, it's available. Okay, it's containing the size of 10 pixels. See this one, this is size of 10 pixels are given. Okay, so if I start clicking, see wherever I am clicking it, there that color will appear. Okay, yeah, in this way the color is getting appeared. See this one, but I don't require it. I want to delete this particular part, so press Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z means undo button, or we can make use of one option present here. You can check this. Okay, if I click on this part again, okay, so whatever task we have done, that will be deleted. Okay, that particular operation will be unperformed, so it will reverse the operation. Getting? Okay, like this. Now if I want to change the size of this particular brush, so I can choose this option. See this one present here, I just selected it, 5, enter. Now see the dot size has reduced drastically. Okay, fine. Now see this dot is reduced, and I can now paint it easily. Okay, like this. Again you can press Ctrl Z, so whatever you have done, that will be deleted. Okay, so this is how the application of the brush present over here. Now one more thing, if I think that this is very small window appearance present here, you can choose one option present here, like see there is a plus button present at this place, and minus button also. When I click on the plus button, okay, it will zoom out. Okay, so zoom, and now more closer view of the respective sprite will be visible to you. Next to that we have one more option called as the minimize. See, this is minimize, this is maximize. Okay, okay, one more is there in between. If I click on that, see the complete fitting window will appear by this particular option. Okay, so I'll go to maximize it and make it perfect, so that I can easily edit the respective sprite. Okay, so I chosen the brush, and accordingly I can paint anywhere that is required. Next to that we have the option called as fill. Fill, if I want to fill some part of the particular sprite by respective color, I can use this option. Just click on the fill now. Now which color you want to use? So color is chosen from here. I click on this and change your colors. For example, I want the green color. Done, select it. Okay, I'll click on this. Okay, so fill is option present over here. I want to fill this green color. Where? So I just moving my mouse. See where this green color I want. Okay, so for example, I want this green color at the tail. So I clicked, and now see the color is appeared over there, the green color. Fill. I want the eyes of this cat by different color. I'll choose the color. For example, I want red, so move it here, red. Okay, somewhat less faint. Done, click, and now where I want, here, click, click, done. Okay, so the colors of the cat are red now. Okay, in this way the filling options are possible. You can fill this color anywhere you want. Next to that we have option of lines. Okay, so when I click on lines, I can draw the line anywhere in the sprite that you want. Now currently the width of the line is 1 here, you can check it out. Okay, so let's see, click and drag, see the line is appearing. Okay, clicked and dragged, again release, fine. So I got that particular line here. For example, I want this line in the hand of the cat. Okay, actually cat does not contain the hand, but consider the front legs are hands. Okay, so I'll make Control Z, it's undone, undo operation is done. Now I'll just increase the size of this particular line, increase it to 3. Okay, now let's use it. Okay, drag, yeah, correct, fine. So I got this line here perfectly, so almost in the hand of the particular cat. So line drawing, its width changing are possible with the help of the respective option. Okay, now let's go for the next. You can see this option is rectangle. If I want to draw a rectangle anywhere, so you can make use of this option, click. Okay, so but why color, what color you have to fill it? So you can check this option. I want to fill it by some bluish color like this. Okay, selected, clicked, and now click and drag. See this rectangle is appearing here. Got this rectangle? I can just make use of this drag, click and drag option. Automatically the rectangle will appear and it will be shown something like this. Even I can reshape this one. See this, reshape by this, from this also can reshape it, or we can rotate it also. See the angles are present here for rotation. Click and rotate as per your requirements. I want in this direction like this, release, check. So this is how the rectangle is added here. Okay, so its width also we can change, it's giving 3 here. If I want the width is 1, I just taken 1 from here, and then after we can make the use of drag and drop option to perform these operations. Fine. Now let's go for the next. Here I'm having the option of reshape. If I click on reshape, okay, so what you want to reshape? For example, I want this ears of the cat more, so I just click. Okay, so the particular dots will appear. So you have to drag any one of the dots. So for example, click, drag, see this, yeah, done. Again click and drag, see this, release. Okay, yeah, this is how we can reshape wherever you want to reshape. It's possible to do. Again, for example, I want to reshape the tail, so click, see the dots are appearing, so choose any one of the dots. So I want to reshape this, click and drag, see this. Now see how it's appearing over there. So in this way the reshaping of this character is possible. Okay, say this how it's possible. Okay, now let's go for the next option. Here we have the eraser. When I click on eraser, okay, if I want to delete something, so I will be making use of the eraser. Now let's see how to make use of it. So see the eraser size is shown there, it's 10 currently. If I want some small eraser, I will change this one to 5, enter. Now see the circle is very small and I want to erase something. I just think this particular line is very long, so I just want to erase it. So click and start erasing. Yes, start erasing, click it and start erasing. So erase. Okay, release, done. Okay, say this, how it is erased. So I want one more erase option here, like I want a dot on the nose of this particular cat. So click erased. Yeah, see this. So this dot is present on the nose of the cat, and now see how appearance, very very strange and tricky appearance I have created on that particular cat. Okay, so you can do as per your ideas or your innovations. Okay, done. Now let's go for the text. So click on text. If I want to add some characters or words in this, so you can make use of this text. So let's take an example. Okay, so for example, I want to add some text here. So let's click on somewhere. I'm just clicking on. Okay, so let's add the name. Okay, so let's add the name here. So let's give a name to this particular cat. So let's add a name as Mew, M-E-O-W. Okay, okay, so I just given this name. Even you can change the color. I'll just drag it here. Okay, I can change the color of it. So when I selected it, I can change the color. Okay, so I want the color in black, something like this. Okay, done. Even if you want to change the font, so you can change the font from here. Okay, so for example, I want the font like serif handwriting. Okay, let's make it handwriting. Select. I want to change the size of it, change it. Okay, use this options present there. It's very easy to use it. Okay, check it. Okay, use these dots and use your mouse, drag drop and change it. Now let's I want to add this name in this particular rectangle present here, Mew name, but it's not fitting. So what's the option? So you have to rotate it. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, so let's rotate. So click on that and rotate. So like this. So almost now they are parallel, and now drag and put it here, Mew. Okay, so in this way we can add the text in your character. So Mew, it's added. You can change it afterwards also. You can, if you want to change the color. So I just selected it again and I want to change the color to the white. That's also possible. So make this color changes. Okay, brightness. Okay, I want this color to be almost white. Okay, change. Okay, so name is appearing Mew. Okay, so Mew is the name of this cat. So this is how we can use the T option, text option, the last one. Okay, so last option is the circle. If I want to create a circle, so you can make use of this. So let's click on that and create a circle. So for example, I want to add a football here. So let's click and create it. So it's a white circle created. Okay, so circle created here. I'll just keep it here, and if I want to change the color, I'll go to fill, click and change the color to white. Okay, okay, fine, click. Now see, the circle is appeared in front of the legs of the cat. See, so this is how you can create your options, or you can design your costumes of the respective cat. So my first cat, which is shown over here, is containing like this, and the modified cat is this. Okay, which I have modified with the help of the different options present in front of me. Okay, so for example, one more thing, I just select this particular. Okay, I'll just click on that, select, and I'll move it here. So you can check it out. This particular circle is on front side and the cat is on back side. So if you want to change their positions, front and back positions, we can make use of this option here. This is the front position now. If I click on the back, see, the ball is moved toward the back position there. So you can make use of it. Even if I want to flip in horizontal or vertical, that's also possible. Okay, horizontal or vertical. Like I'll select this particular part and I want to flip Yeah, it's moving, it's watching background. It's back in, sorry. So this is how we can make use of this option, flip, and even vertical flipping is also possible. Vertical, it's not good, but make use of it. Okay, correct. Now he's watching back. Okay, or again let's select, again flip, watching. So flip horizontally or flip vertically is also possible. So as per your design, your requirements, we can create these designs and you can create your costumes that you require. So as such n number of costumes and their modifications are possible with the help of this particular options. Similar to that, if you want to create or if you want to modify your backdrops, that's also possible to get modified over here. So this is my current design which we have created. I'll just click and make sure the design which I expected is created accordingly, or if you want to change again more, so you can use these options more clearly. It's very easy to design. Your creativity can be applied easily and create your design as per your requirements over here. Okay, so this is how the costumes are possible. Now if you want to check the backdrop, that also is possible. I'll just go to backdrops here and now see this one. Okay, so this will appear, this will change. Currently I was chosen with this sprite. Now if I click on the backdrop, now backdrop will appear over here. Currently nothing is present in the backdrop. This is the center position of it. And backdrop, I want to add something, like for example I just want to fill the background with a respective color. So I just fill and change the color. I want this color at the background. Okay, so first of all I need to create a rectangle. Okay, say this one, check this one. So I just created this background, a complete background with this respective color, cyan color. It's filled there. Okay, so costumes and background, both operations we can do almost in the similar ways. Their designs are possible. Only the thing is that when you have to change the sprite, we just click on this, and when you want to change the backdrop, you click on this. Okay, and now if you want some different options here, so you can make use of this. So you can check it out. For example, I just want a freehand drawing at the backdrop. Okay, I'm choosing backdrop here. Now let's check it. Let's change the color. Okay, yeah, so this is what I want. Perfect design, yes. Okay, so check it out. So here my background is changing this way. So as per your requirement, we designed it, and now the cat is also having the similar kind of background present there. I want a sun to be there, so let's add a sun. So I selected this circle. Okay, sun's color required. Okay, what's this? Okay, see, yeah, what do you think? Correct? Yeah. So in this way it's possible to design the things, and can make use of many more such kind of backgrounds as per your requirements. Use your creativity, create your sprites or create your backdrops also by this particular method, and save your program. Okay, so that's how we can make use of the costumes option. We can make use of the paint option, by which we can create your sprites or we can create your backgrounds in the Scratch. So happy programming. Thank you. Thanks a lot.